October 22nd, Sunday. Humility and sincerity. You do not regard a person's status. Pharisees and Herodians went to Jesus to ensnare him so they could trap Jesus against Caesar and get rid of him. Jesus, knowing their cunningness and their plot to trap him, answers shrewdly. However, interestingly, what they say about Jesus is very true, and they draw attention to his two greatest virtues. They say two things that highlight Jesus' virtues of humility and sincerity. First, you are not concerned with anyone's opinion. Secondly, you do not regard a person's status. However, these virtues are good for us to reflect upon because we should strive to have them alive in our lives. The virtue of humility invites us to listen to others, consult them, and be open-minded. Nevertheless, we need to be prudent in understanding others' opinions because at times they can dictate to us, and we might end up executing their plans more than ours. Sometimes the opinions of others can be wrong and negative, which Jesus never gave himself. Secondly, the virtue of sincerity calls us to be truthful to our conscience. We should not discriminate against people based on caste, creed, and color. What we need to know is that all are one and equal before God. The status of the person does not indicate whether he is truthful or not, but his character and virtues. Therefore, let us all strive towards the virtues of humility, sincerity, integrity, and truthful before God and people. Pray and practice. Lord, help us to strive to live a life of virtues such as humility, sincerity, integrity, and truthfulness.